Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about zones. These are the Flylady cleaning zones and how to know which zone you're currently in. So before we actually get started with that, I want to break down what those zones are. So in zone 1, it's going to be your entranceway, your front porch, and your dining room. The second zone is going to be the kitchen. That's the only thing you have during that zone. The third zone is all the bathrooms and one extra room. So that could be like your guest bedroom, your office, or even your laundry room. The fourth zone is everything about the master bedroom. That's your master bedroom, your master bathroom, and even the closet that's in there. Zone 5 is our last zone, and that's going to be the living room, family room, or den. So some places actually have a formal living room, others only have just one living room. So that's going to be yours. Each zone represents 1 week in a month, and there's going to be some months that you're not going to get to all 5. That's okay. So let's really explain how that works. So if you have a month that has like a few days in the beginning, like maybe it goes up to the 3rd day, then with that, you're only going to be in zone 1 for 3 days, and then you're going to move on. That's how zones work. So take a look at your calendar right now, and you could actually see which zone you're in. For me personally, I am in zone 4, and I am actually going to have a zone 5 this month. That's just the way that the days fell. If you're creating your own zone plan, then you're really going to want to go and keep your lighter days, your lighter zones in zone 1 and zone 5. Keep the heavy hitters for zone 2, 3, and 4. I hope that makes sense, and if you have any questions, please go ahead and put them down in the comments. I want to make sure that you fully understand, and I will do my best to answer every single one, and I hope that helps a little bit. Now, when it comes to this, when you're looking at your zones, you want to first start with decluttering. So you're going to be spending 15 minutes in each zone, well, in that zone for that day. Only 15 minutes. That's it. So if you haven't decluttered in that room, that's what you're going to spend your 15 minutes per day on. In our basic weekly plan, we also have an extra 15 minutes in the current zone. So if you haven't decluttered in that room, you do that first. After that, then you're going to want to start to clean in that room. I will go ahead and down in the description give you a link to Flylady's zone detailed cleaning list. I will make sure to go and put that down there as well. That way you'll kind of have an idea as to what's going on. So questions, comments, leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this, go ahead and think about subscribing to the channel. I'm going to be giving basically my day every single day on me decluttering, because that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to be decluttering my house in the current zone 15 minutes each day. And subscribe if you want to watch me through that journey. Later, once I'm done decluttering, I am going to be going through the zone cleaning list, and you want to make sure that you see all of those videos. So hit the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.